Okay, personal statements, writing them, it's going to be a thing of the past because here's the latest AI engine. Write me a personal statement for studying computer science at university. So it gives me a bit about information about what a personal statement is. Gives me the cliche about being a child and spent countless hours. Took every course available. Technical skills, I'm a strong problem solver. Okay, so add in the fact that I got a gold certificate in the maths challenge. Maths. Mathematics. Okay, as a child, I spent countless hours thinking of my family's computer. Blah, 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 blah. Local tech company where I gained valuable experience in the industry. So, strong problem solver. Okay, so all a bit vague and general. So add in something about my non-exam assessment, which dealt with advanced data structures for calculating mathematical expressions using binary trees. Okay, so it's going to do that now. Let's see what that has. In my case, the world of technology and computing as a child, I spent high school, took every computer available and even started to share my knowledge. I interned at a local tech company. Gold certificate in the National Mathematics Challenge. On exam, I designed and implemented advanced data structure for calculating mathematical expressions using binary trees. Deep understanding of computer science concepts and the ability to think critically and creatively. Okay. Add a lot more technical detail about the algorithms that I studied at school. And give some examples of some of those advanced algorithms. Okay, here we go again. Well, technology computer trying to count as hours. Same old thing. Course maths challenge. Exam assessment. Design and implemented advanced data structure. Expression by trains. Deep understanding computer science concepts. Think critically. Including the recursive and iterative algorithms, divide and conquer algorithms, and dynamic programming algorithms. We have recursive algorithm computing the Fibonacci sequence and the iterative algorithm for calculating the great combination of those two numbers. Alright, okay, well they're not particularly complicated, so increase the complexity of the algorithms that I studied at school. Okay, this is all the same stuff. Binary trees, a deep understanding of computer science. Think critically, a wide range of recursive, divide and conquer algorithm. Very recursive, Fibonacci sequence. critical. I also studied more advanced algorithms such as dice algorithm for finding the shortest path in a graph, and the A-star algorithm for pathfinding in a grid. Okay, perfectly valid things. Okay. Add some of my personal hobbies, such as golf, and hang on. Add in something about the fact that I am a scratch golfer, and that I have learnt how to sing operatic tenor. Okay, still got this child, so I might get rid of that. This is all the same. It seems to know that the personal stuff should come after all this technical information. Oh, I'm an avid golfer and I've been a Scottish golfer for several years. Accomplished operatic tenor and performing numerous school and community productions. Oh, okay. Okay. Right. Change the fact that I found computer science as a child and change it to the fact that I discovered computer science in my GCSE years when I started to think about how to create a game of Space Invaders using Python and Pygame. Okay, so what we got now? Here we go. I discovered passion for computer science in my GCSE years when I started to think about how to create a game of Space Invaders using Python and Pygame. Sparked my curiosity and interest in the world of technology and computing. I began to teach myself the basic premise for endless possibilities that can be created with code. In high school, I took every computer science course available. Alright, this is all fine. This is all great stuff, right? Okay. Okay. All seems good. Okay. What would I like to add now? So I think something to do with CCF, possibly. Add in the fact that I was a corporal in the CCF and went on several trips and give some examples of those trips. Right, let's see what we've got now. Additionally, I was corporal in the school's combined cadet force, CCF, and went on several trips, including a leadership training course and a week-long exercise in the Scottish Highlands. Goodness, who would have known it? Valuable leadership and teamwork skills. Okay. Add in a final paragraph about why I want to apply to Cambridge University for computer science. Okay, so this is going to be my final application. I discovered my passion for computer science during my GCSE years when I started to think about how to create a game for Space Invaders in Python and Pygame. This sparked my curiosity and interest in the world of technology and computing, and I began to teach myself the basics of programming and explore the endless possibilities of what can be created with code. Oops. In high school, I took every computer science course available and even started coding to share my knowledge with my peers. It was also awarded a gold certificate in the National Mathematics Challenge, which demonstrates my ability to think logically and solve complex problems. Additionally, I was corporal in the school's combined cadet force and went on several trips, including leadership training course, Scottish Highlands. Let's put the CCF stuff at the end. Put the CCF stuff at the end. I discovered my passion for computer science during my GCSE years when I started thinking about how creative games, Space Invaders, Python and Pygame. This sparked my curiosity and interest in the world of technology and computing. I began to teach myself programming and explore the endless possibilities of creative code. In high school, I computer science course where I even started to share knowledge with my peers. It was also awarded gold certificate in the National Mathematics Challenge, which demonstrates my ability to think logically and solve complex problems. For my non-exam assessment, I started implementing advanced data structure for calculating mathematical expressions. Binary trees. This project requires deep understanding of computer science concepts and the ability to think critically and creatively. I started a range of algorithms, including recursive arithmetic and divide and conquer algorithms, dynamic programming algorithms. For example, I implemented recursive algorithm computing Fibonacci sequence, an iterative algorithm for creative color style. Okay, alright, okay, there's obviously a limit to how much it can produce, but I'm sure you can see. Show me the paragraph about the CCF. Okay, that's lovely. Thank you. It's remembered all that stuff. Very nice. Okay, well, last thing. Translate my personal statement into French. No, I don't know how well this is going to happen, but we'll see. Okay, well, it's got French in there. I know that much. Well, there you go. We're all doomed.